Most common problem. Why my baby's weight is stuck? Why it is not growing? Why it is very slow? In this video, we are going to talk about this issue. Hello parents, this is Vishnu Tejasvi, your child nutrition educator. I do talk about child nutrition for the babies between 6 months to 36 months in this channel. So from 0 months to 12 months, there will be a very huge development or month on month improvement in the weight gain. You can see that. And after 12 plus months, the weight gain is very slow or it's plateau. Am I right? So tell me in the comment box first if you're also facing the same issue. So in this video, I'm going to talk about why this is happening and what you can do for that. So first, let's talk about the growth patterns to make you tension free. So after 12 plus months, your baby starts crawling, little bit walking, taking a support and then tries to walk here and there, and then they sit down. So this happens more frequently. So in this situation, the burning of calories will be more, and then you will not see much weight gain. So the second thing is also there is a sudden shift in the diet. For example, if you can see from 6 to 8 months, there will be less on solids and more on milk. And 9 to 12, they'll be equally exploring solids and milk. After 1+ years, there'll be less on milk and more on solids. Okay, so it will be hard for them to digest the more solids. So also this will take a bit long time to get into the phase of this weight gain. So what you can do for this, let me tell you some practical tips. First, don't focus on the weight gain. First, focus on the balanced diet, like nutrient-rich foods like fruits, veggies, legumes, dals, non-veg, dairy products, all of these in the diet in a day. And when your baby is frequently adjusting to this, or when your baby is adjusting to this kind of a balanced diet or a scheduled way, then you can start introducing any kind of weight gain foods in their diet. Encourage active play because activity is essential for the growth and development. But I wanted to tell you one thing. When you are under the pressure of weight gain for your baby, then you will show it on your baby and then you will force feed, or else you try to offer more weight gaining foods for your baby. This is not at all good, and then your baby will be on a negative impression towards the food and your baby will not gain weight. Remember, every baby is different. Their metabolism, their genetics, their activity levels, everything is involved in the weight gain. So first focus on the balanced diet. Then you start adding the weight gain foods or immunity foods in their diet. So this helps in a good weight gain, a healthy weight gain. Hope this helps you. See you in the next video.